that was really neat. Oh, there's a lake down here, and it looks, you guessed it, pretty neat. Wow!
What up, people, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a beautiful fall day here. The exciting part about today's video is that I got this big envelope in the mail here. So I'm going to take it up, open it up, and share the news with you. Anyway, time to get all set up. 172, 22-meter glider. Breezy, a little bit breezy, midday flying, but it's overcast, so good to go. Let's rock out, get in the sky. You guys ready to go? Let's do it.
Here we go. Beautiful takeoff. It's a little breezy today, not too shabby. Get comfortable in the seat. Okay, so the big news, what I wanted to open up here, should probably get a little more altitude. Let's try to get this package out. Official document enclosed. I wonder what it could be. Let's rip this baby open and find out. Try not to litter along the way. Oh, what is this? Oh, I got it. Don't fly out. Here it is. It's got an official stamp and seal. It's my certificate for completing the NWTC program for HVAC. Woo! Uh-oh, don't hit that tree. Yeah, baby. Oh, I try not to fold it. It's flapping in the wind. That's it. That's my big news. It took a full year to get that degree, and that's what I do for work full time. That was a huge part getting that done. Took a lot of my flying time away, that's for sure. So now that I have it all finished up, I get to do my HVAC job, and I have more time to fly, and I make more money. That's it. All right, let's put this away and then go rock out. It's a beautiful day for flying, so time to celebrate. Let's take a closer look. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh my gosh, it feels perfect today. Whoa, getting down in the trees. Ow, ow! Beautiful day. Oh man, that was close. Woo! Whoa, this wing is fast. Everything just feels so crisp and comfortable today. I haven't flown in a little while, so I'm a tiny bit rusty. Oh, I bet there's some deer in this area. Uh-oh, I'm a little too low. Oh! Look at the trail right down there. Woohoo! Uh-oh, I'm below the treetops, a little low. Hi! Being on the magical swing set. Oh, I like this little pine tree spot here. Oh, look at these. They're all different shades of green. It just looks beautiful. Man, it feels like I'm going so fast on this wing. I like it. It's kind of spooky, but I like it. Okay, I think I'm getting close to the river. This is one of my favorite flying spots. Man, it's so nice when the leaves come off the trees. You can really see down into the woods. That is one of the cool reasons that flying in fall and winter is better. Oh, I gotta stretch out my wings. I think this wing is almost too fast. I like going a little bit slower. Wow. Oh man. This is just incredible. Such a cool spot. This is one of my favorite areas to fly. Time to get down in here a little bit. Gets a little sketchy. I know. I know. I love looking straight down into the woods. It's kind of my favorite. Ow! Ow! Crazy. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Getting a little out of control here. Sometimes I get a little bit out of control. Sometimes life gets a little bit out of control. Those are the times you really gotta hunker down, take control of your life, aim for the heart, do it for Don. Well, that was pretty neat. I like doing things that are neat. I'm kind of a neat guy. That's why I like doing neat things. So I'm just kind of having fun doing neat things. Woo! That's pretty neat. Ah! That was really neat. Oh, there's a lake down here, and it looks, you guessed it, pretty neat. Wow! Oh man! Oh, that was so neat. I gotta get up higher. I'm gonna run into these trees. That would not be neat at all. Oh my gosh. How's my temperature? Still 316. That's weird. Maybe my gauge is broke. That wouldn't be neat. Alright, we got one more neat spot here. And then I'm going to pretty much call it a day. But that was a good flight. Thank you guys for flying along with me. And, bearing with me as I finished out my schooling and got my degree. And, I should be making some more videos doing neat stuff. Maybe I'll just change the name of the channel to Guy That Does Neat Things or Neato.com or something like that. Oh, this is really neat. Wow, too neat. Too neat. That was too neat. That was way too neat. I can't do that. Woo! Woo! Frick, that was neat. Gosh. I can't believe it. It's just so neat. Alright, I gotta land this thing. I don't know why it seems like I'm going so fast today, but it really does feel like I'm going fast. So here we go. Let's try to bring this thing in. Find a good spot. I think this is as good a spot as any. Oh, now I feel a little bit slower. Yeah, this should work. More flare. Yes, I'm really good at that. That was neat. That was super neat. Come on, stay out of the tree, you big neat son of a gun. Thanks for following along. That was awesome. All right, bye, guys. Love you. See you later.